Hey guys, Thinking Gadgets here, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. So without wasting your time, let's get to why I'm here. I'm here to talk about the Microsoft Surface Pro X and all its specifications in its entirety. So let's get to the video. Alright, so I recently picked up Microsoft Surface Pro X thinking that it is an upgrade from the Microsoft Surface Pro 7, but to my greatest surprise, it's actually a downgrade. But I'm not here to really trash this device because that's what I really had the intention to come on here and just trash it hands down. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to tell you what the spec is, if you think is the best system for you, and what my final verdict is. So let's get to specifications. So right out the box, it really looks smooth when the packaging and all that. Microsoft did a good job on doing that. As for the build quality is really nice. You have that matte black build quality. And if you want to get this, I will leave a link in the description to Amazon. It's on Amazon. You can get it for about $999, and I think there's a $730 price tag on it as well for the cheapest version. This is the mid-tier version. There's a cheaper version, there's a mid-tier, and there's a top tier. The top tier version, you will actually get the external keyboard that attaches to it and the slim pen as well. But this version I got just doesn't come with that. I just got the 8GB 256GB SSD hard drive version that is sitting right here in front of you. So looking at this right out the gate, it looks pretty impressive. When I looked at it, I was like, wow, this is a premium device. I mean, for over $1,000, I mean, you are buying something premium. When you're spending about $1,000 on any device, phone, laptop, tablet, whatever it is, you're pretty much paying for a premium product. That's why you spend that kind of money, because you want something that is really powerful as far as build quality and specifications go. But this, to my greatest surprise, it's like you're just paying for fashion. That's it. You're not really paying for the specs or anything about that. It's not, as a matter of fact, it's not an upgrade from the Pro 7. It's actually a downgrade from Microsoft Surface Pro 7. So let's dig deep into the specification and let me walk you through the specs. So for display, you will get a 13-inch display, 2880 by 1920 display. For your processor, you're looking at a Microsoft SQ1 processor. For the front camera, 5 megapixel, rear camera, 10 megapixel, RAM, there's an 8GB RAM version and there's a 16GB RAM version as well. I will go into that in a bit. Now for your Windows, it comes Windows 10 Home pre-installed. Now let's go back to the RAM. Now the 8GB version, you can get the 8GB, which is the cheapest version, at about $730, and you will get the least hard drive space, which is the 8GB 128GB SSD, and you can get the 8GB 256GB SSD, which is what I have right here. Then if you move up a tier to the 16GB RAM, you will get 16GB 256 SSD or 16GB 512GB SSD. It really depends on what you want. Do you want more RAM and more hard drive storage space, or do you just want something basic? It really depends on you. You have two USB 3.0 ports. You also have a magnetic charge, and you will have face recognition as well. The face recognition is, at first, when I first started using it, it was really sharp. Like, you look at it and in an instant it opens up, it just unlocks. But now the face recognition to me is kind of like, okay, it's not. At first I thought it was that Apple standard face recognition, because Apple is kind of like second to none, to be honest with you. I haven't used any device yet that the facial unlock is better than Apple. There's just none out there. There are lots of them that are close, but not as good as Apple. This, at first I thought it was kind of up there, but after using it for a while, and now I see it's not even close at all. Sometimes I have to look at the camera 5 or 6 times and it'll still prompt me to put in my password, which is crazy. Another thing that I did like was I'm having a little bit of issue kind of synchronizing with my OneDrive for some reason. I don't know, maybe it must be maybe technical error on my part, I don't know, but it's not syncing with OneDrive. But that is just my experience in general with this Microsoft Surface Pro X. To me, it's a downgrade from the Pro 7. So who is this for anyway? Why is this here? Microsoft built this for the productive working class person. So if you are a businessman or a businesswoman, you might want to get this for yourself because it kind of helps you just take your work wherever you go. You can sit in Starbucks having coffee and you just pull out your tablet. It doesn't take any weight or space. It is really thin, and you just pull it out, flip it open, attach your keyboard, have your mouse or your any other peripheral devices that you want to connect to it, maybe your Bluetooth earpiece or something, plug it in, and then boom, you're good to go. You have a 5 megapixel front camera. That is kind of enough if you are going to be in a team meeting like either Microsoft Teams or Skype or Google Hangout, whatever team meeting that you want to be on, or presentation. You also have Office 365 for 30 days trial installed. So if you want to run 365 30 days trial before paying for the actual license, you can do that as well. Now to top it off, it makes it easier for you to have all your files transfer from your laptop to your tablet on the go. But that is not new. That's not a new feature. That is a feature that is with every Microsoft tablet. It's the same platform. Just like I will say, if your platform is Apple, so let's say your workflow is on Apple and that's your platform, I wouldn't advise you to get the Microsoft. So it just depends on what platform your business model runs on. It just depends on that. So my final verdict of this device right here will be, honestly, I'm trying to give it a C, but I won't trash Microsoft. I'm kind of having a change of heart, so I will give it a B. Yeah, I will give it a B. I would not give it a B plus, but a B. And to be fair, I'm kind of generous right now. I am really generous. I'm really holding down a lot of trash that I want to say about this thing, but I will just tell you straight up, I will give it a B, and it is B because it's decently okay, but it's not all the way up there, especially for people like me who are really crazy and into the little itty bitty detail of any device that I get. So for me, it is a B. The price range for pricing, I think I wouldn't pay $1,000 for this. Personally, I think the price should be reduced. Even the $700 version is too expensive. I think it should be dropped down to, let's say, $500. I think compared to its predecessors and also its counterparts like the Pro 7 and its rivals like the iPad Pro, this just doesn't, it really doesn't pack a punch at all. It doesn't stack up to the rest of them. So that's why I say. But if you are looking for something that is really light and you can take anywhere with you and has style, because it does really have style. Like I said, it is really, it's just fashion to me. It just feels like a fashion device to me. If you want style and a little bit of power, yeah, you can go for it. I will give you this benefit of a doubt. Don't buy this tablet if you are not a business person, because you might be disappointed with the entertainment version of this. If you have an Xbox and you try to synchronize your Xbox with it, you will be hugely disappointed. You'll be madly disappointed because it's not going to render your games as well as you think it would. As a matter of fact, I downloaded Asphalt 8 and played Asphalt 8 on it for about 10 minutes and I just dropped it. I'm like, you know what, I'm done. And to make things worse, the battery life, Microsoft talked about 15-hour battery life, but playing Asphalt and a little bit of games on it, it kind of lasted for like 5 hours, and it was kind of like slowing down and everything was just going really slow. To make it worse, again, another X Mac on another default that I didn't like about it, that is slashing its grade. is the screen response time is really not all that. At first I thought, okay, brand new thing, but it's just because it was brand new, so everything was still running on smooth. When I started installing things on it and I started using it on the internet, on Edge, on Google Chrome, my God, I will literally press a button 5 times to have it, register. It was just crazy. And then when I tried to connect my external keyboard to it, it gave me a little bit of trouble. I had to restart the whole operating system just to connect my Bluetooth keyboard with this device. I'm just saying. So all these things bundled up together, slashed. As a matter of fact, I should drop it down to C. I should drop it down to a C. So pretty much that's all I got for you guys today. I want to thank you guys big time for your support and love. And I will throw it back. I'm thinking of doing a huge giveaway at 10K subscribers. I mean, I have to do something. And please leave a comment. Will you get the Microsoft Surface Pro X? Will you do that? Will you get one for yourself if you are that business person? Or will you have one just for leisure or for the fun of just buying a tablet just to have fun with it? Will you? I wouldn't. So I just want to bring that to you, to your knowledge. By the way, leave a comment in the comment section. I would love to engage in the comment section with you guys. So thank you very much for the video, for watching my video. I'm sorry. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. By the way, the giveaway, to be eligible for the giveaway, you have to be a subscriber, you have to comment, share my videos, you have to be an active subscriber. I'm telling you, 10,000 subscribers, I'm giving away something big. So thank you guys for watching the video. I will catch you guys in my next video. Microsoft Surface Pro X down. And I'm out. See ya. Peace.